The ROG Strix Z690-F gaming Wi-Fi introduces compatibility with its Intel's latest 12th generation LGA 1700 Alder Lake CPU. It is Windows 11 compatible out of the box and it looks absolutely fantastic. Each Strix Z690 board will have a unique to its model acrylic backlit design and both 12V and 5V RGB support. It is easier than ever to install M.2 with toolless QLatch design that is integrated to all 4 M.2 slots, and it is just as easy to install and remove your GPU with the new PCIe Q release design. Speaking of design, enjoy the next evolution of integrated fashion and design on Republic of Gamer motherboards with the ROG reusable cable organizer that is also color matched. The ROG Strix Z690-F gaming Wi-Fi supports the latest Wi-Fi 6E standard and it supports up to 2.5G Ethernet. It has DDR5 compatibility with SafeDIMM technology and even has an integrated header for Thunderbolt support. Crush your opponents with ROG Strix Z690-F gaming Wi-Fi motherboard.